Hello everybody, where are we going? Terminal. We're waiting for the bus here. Visit down over there. We're in Terminal Aconrachasima. And we're here in the Banilay.
Waiting for the bus.
Where are you going, Bella?
We were walking.
That way is going Konken, and then this way going to Aconrachasima, the city. And then that way is going to Albuquerque.
I'm hungry.
Huh?
I'm so hungry.
I will eat later. Bella, where are we now, Bella?
In the terminal. Wow! Harborland!
No need the harbor line, not important.
Important for the kids play. You see? A lot of kids there.
We are
I
here.
love it.
Nosy, nosy.
I like it. I want to play. Look at them.
We buy yummy food. Yummy. Yummy, Bella.
What is it?
Okay na?
I know already what Papa will eat. What is your picture?
We're done. We're done. And we're going now. We're going home.
We are going home.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
It's bedtime. Bella.
Ma, can you open baby song?
My God, are you a baby?
No, sleep in the water.
Oh, the water song?
Oh,
You want to sleep already?
Ako.
Faster, faster.
Faster, faster.
Come here. Come here.
Alay ko.
Alay.
Yung message sa Lulu.
Why your mom is like that? Because? Where's your gloves? Bella wear gloves because Bella's sleeping in the boat. But not now. Step by step, it's Bella's face. Trying to stop her. Slowly, she's stopping. Look at your teeth. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. That's why the form is like this.